They lived through the unrest seen last summer when protesters destroyed or damaged dozens of businesses. Now, a panel of people from Kenosha, Wisconsin, will be asked to decide whether Kyle Rittenhouse acted in self-defense when he shot and killed two men and injured a third during that violence. CBS 2's Charlie DeMar has been in Kenosha County Court today for jury selection. He joins us now live. Good evening, Charlie.
Good evening, Brad. And jury selection has been going on since about 9:30 this morning. It is still going on here at the Kenosha County Courthouse. Something that all these potential jurors have in common, they have all either heard or seen something about this case. There were some potential jurors that were disqualified, sent home today because they said they've already made their minds up, but the majority said they are willing to listen to the evidence. Wearing a gray suit, Kyle Rittenhouse sat next to his attorneys, his mother Wendy also in the courthouse. The jury pool was predominantly white and older. 20 jurors will decide Kyle Rittenhouse's fate.
I want this case to reflect the greatness of Kenosha and the fairness of Kenosha. And I don't want it to get sidetracked into other issues.
But some potential jurors couldn't put their preconceived thoughts on this polarizing case aside and were dismissed from the court. Several were tossed out from the jury pool for scheduling or work conflicts. And another said he couldn't be fair due to a strong belief in the Second Amendment. One even expressed concerns to the judge about their safety.
Just brings it back to August last year. The civil unrest or the possibility of the unrest and the unknowns it just makes you feel uncomfortable.
I've been in this business for over 50 years in the criminal courts, and I have never, ever had any incident in any of the courts.
Rittenhouse says he acted in self-defense when he shot and killed two people and wounded another in August of 2020. Rittenhouse traveled to Kenosha from Antioch. Videos show him walking around with an AR-15. He volunteered to protect businesses that were targets of looting and vandalism. Kenosha saw days of unrest after a white police officer shot Jacob Blake, who's black, at close range. His uncle was outside the courthouse.
These were peaceful rally people that came from a peaceful rally for Jacob Blake and were trying to go home when they were gunned down and murdered by this young man.
Others gathered at the courthouse see Rittenhouse as a patriot who was trying to keep the peace.
Self-defense is not a crime.
Now, the judge in this case says that he wants to seat a total of 20 jurors in that case. Once that process is complete, then opening statements will begin. Brad?
Charlie, I know there was at least one juror, as you mentioned, had concerns about safety. This case sits at the very fault line of freedoms in some people's eyes. Did others express similar concerns about safety serving on the jury?
There was another juror who said that she wants to serve as a juror, but just not on this case. She actually said that she drove a friend's car to this to jury selection today because she didn't want to be spotted. She didn't want anyone to potentially see her license plate, know where she lives, or know her name. So obviously a lot of thought that is going into this for all these jurors, and clearly some safety concerns.
Yeah, that says something. Charlie DeMar. Our thanks, Charlie. When there are big developments in the Rittenhouse trial, you can watch them live on our streaming service, CBSN. We'll have opening statements, key witness testimony, closing arguments, and of course, the verdict.